Hey everyone, welcome back to Jedovi 3D. Today we're going to upgrade our Creality Ender 3 Pro with linear rails on the X-axis.
What, like it's hard?
This upgrade can improve the overall stability and precision of your 3D printer. Plus, we'll test its speed using updated clipper settings to see how efficient it really is.
So you're telling me there's a chance?
Let's get started. First, let's gather all of the tools and materials we'll need. You'll need the Creality Linear Rail Upgrade Kit specifically designed for the Ender 3 Pro, along with some basic tools like screwdrivers and wrenches. Let's see what's inside of our kit. We have our X-axis linear rail, the back plate to attach to our linear rail, the Sprite extruder bracket, a few Allen wrenches, all screws and T-nuts needed for the upgrade, and of course, the instructions. Step 1. Prepare your workspace and make sure your printer is turned off and unplugged. Safety first. We will use some air to clean any dust or excess filament from our Ender 3 Pro. Step 3. Next, let's remove the Sprite extruder from the back plate by removing these 4 M3 screws from the side. This allows us to remove the bottom wheel from the plate so we can lift it off of the X-axis rail. Don't forget to detach the belt. Step 4. Place the M3x8 screws in every other hole on the rail with the T-nuts attached on the other side. Start with the outermost hole. Remove the belt tensioner and slide the rail through the side of the X-axis. Tighten from outside in, going from left to right. Step 6. Use the M3x6 bolts to install the backplate to the linear rail. Now use 3 M3x6 round head screws to attach the hot end bracket to the backplate. The bracket will rest on top of the extruded holes on the backplate. Step 8. Install the hot end with 4 M3x6 screws. Step 9. Reinstall the belt tensioner. Attach the belt to the back plate and adjust the tension. Step 10. Reconnect the wires to the hot end. This step should have been done before the belt was attached, but we'll do it now. Let's grease the linear rail. We'll put light layers on our finger and move the hot end back and forth. Let's do this a few times to make sure the rail is thoroughly lubricated. Step 12. Plug your Ender 3 Pro in and be cautious of any smoke or electrical malfunction. This shouldn't be an issue, but you always want to be cautious after any install. Step 13. If you run Clipper firmware on your Creality Ender 3 Pro, then you want to do a resonance test. Let's watch as we go through the steps of testing the resonance on the X and Y axis with the Creality Sonic Pad. If you would like me to explain the details of this test in another video, let me know in the comment section below. Now that we installed the linear rail, let's put it to the test. We'll use our updated clipper settings to measure the speed of our prints before and after the upgrades to see if there's any improvements.
All right, let's do this.
As you can see from the time-lapse footage, the upgraded printer is able to handle faster speed settings more efficiently compared to before. The linear rail upgrade has definitely made a difference. So is this upgrade worth it? I would say yes if you're upgrading the Y-axis with linear rails as well. The printer moves in the X and Y axis at high velocity speeds. The Z would be the ultimate upgrade contribution, but just upgrading the X and Y axis will improve the speed efficiency of your Ender 3 Pro. An additional upgrade that would be needed for faster speeds would be the 5015 part fan for rapid cooling. The Y-axis and part fan are the next upgrade to my Ender 3 monster. Stay tuned for those videos in the future. And there you have it, folks. That's how you upgrade your Creality Ender 3 Pro with linear rails on the X-axis. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel for more 3D printing tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Happy printing, people. I'll see you in the next video.